Hey, what's up, people? Okay, so something totally different again this time around. We've got a E28 that came in for some interior. So for those, some people know, some people don't know. We've been doing our interiors for a while now, our own interiors for a while. We haven't really put it out to the public, but this is something that I want to show you guys, and I think it came out really good. It's a E28 with air, motors been done, etc., etc., and so it's a bit windy now. I need to do this video outside so you guys can actually see the interior. But we chose a certain color, and I had this interior in once before, right? It came in this material blue, and it was done for an E28, and I think Udo brought it in for me. And we've all fell in love with the seat. A lot of people fell in love with the seat, and we went down and we hunted down the material, and it took us a while. And there's also a gray material in the same fabric, and I'm battling to get it in it, but it looks so authentic for me. Yes, leather is always good, but I like material, and this here looks authentic. It looks good. It looks so OEM. It looks so homely, if I can call it that. Right. So enough of me talking. Let me take you through the car now quickly. Okay. So before we start, this is how the car looks. All right. So it's a pretty looking 525e, 2.8 stroker motor on there. We didn't do motor. We didn't do the air. All we done is basically the interior of the car, right? But nice. It's a pretty looking car. So if you look at the car from the side here, see if I can zoom more quickly for you. But it's a very nice, sassy looking vehicle. And I really want to show you this interior. So we're going to start off by the door cards. So we've done the top in a Napa, a black Napa. We've done the bottom section, the blue section, in a blue leather. The handle is done in a Napa as well. I couldn't really think of what more to do on the handle, so we stitched it. I believe that we can do a little bit better on it, but for now we're gonna leave it as that. But we've gone for this material breakout in between the leathers, right? And then obviously we've got a speaker cut out over here. Sorry, the lighting is bad on the interior. We've got a speaker cut out, and we left that with the blue leather. We've done dashboard as well, and we've maintained the blue colors. See, the lighting is bad. Let me try from the side here. Let me see how it looks from the side. We've gone with some Alcantara as well. So remember, okay, this is a bit better. So if you look at the door card now, you can actually see it in the sun, right? It looks clean, classy. And you come into the interior, we've left the blue carpet in there. You can see we've gone with the black and blue trim on the dashboard. It's our first time doing a dashboard of that sense. Can they be done a bit better? Yes, it can be done a bit better, but I'm gonna leave it at that for now. Now the seats, I got bad lighting on the side again for the seats. So let's just finish up with the carpet, and then I'm gonna go to the other side of the car. So we've maintained the original blue carpet from the E28. I've maintained the blue just on the console over there, and then we've gone with blue leather on the center console. So on the climate control, on the gear control, on the gear console, and on the handbrake console as well. Right, so I see the lighting changes now when I come in here. Right, so this looks good. I've tried to maintain the kick panel carpet, and we put a small bead into here just to try and keep some originality to it. But I'm gonna have to go over to the other side. Let's see how's the lighting over here. No, the lighting is bad. So again, the seats, or the door cards, if I can say more. I think this breakout just looks nice on it. Then we've gone with Alcantara basically on the backboard and maintained this custom backboard. We've also gone with Alcantara on the roof liner on the car. I'm going to talk to you a bit more on the seats. So now you can see it. Alright, so it's a sunroof vehicle and full Alcantara all the way, right? And I think it looks good. Let me see if I can catch the seats. Yeah, and it's not adjusting to it. Now it's adjusting. I like the way the seats look. Right, so it's an E34 M5 seat on here. And this is how the back came out. You just gonna get this camera to adjust so we can get a proper view of it. So we've gone with a breakout. Basically, we've piped the seat up nicely in leather. We've gone for leather on the side of the seats, on the side of the headrest, and we've gone with material in the center. And you can see how the breakout is. We've gone with leather at the back. And the beauty part about these seats is that they are fully functional seats. So you'll see here, we've got a control panel here. We're trying to get the switches, but for now we are able to control them there. So they recline, they move back and forth, and the headrest also moves up and down. So it's fully functional E34 M5 seats in the car. I'm moving around because I'm trying to get you guys, nope, that's not going to work. I'm trying to get you guys a better view of this seat here. Right, so this is going to be a quick video of it. The boot, I'm waiting for them to finish the air setup on it, and then I would like to go with the same blue material with a stitch or bead. Sorry. Oh, I am so bad. Deliver the camera. So we'd like to do that in the boot and maintain that look of it, or I don't want to go with grey carpet in the boot. I would like to persuade my customer to keep with the blue and a nice bead, and maybe break out with something in the boot. But we're going to wait for them to finish up the airlines and finish up all the other work, and then I would like to get the car in for the booth and finish the booth. So our aim for the booth is a nice, clean, classy look, not a wow factor look. I will try and do another video on it and catch different lighting, but I really wanted to get this out to you guys and show you. I'm excited to see it. It looks freaking nice. Let me know what you guys think, your thoughts on it. There's another gray material I'm trying to get. Look, we can't use them in the ISs and in the 333s, right? And I think this is a very good way of playing with it. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers, guys.